Well, no, everyone's going to be shocked we're getting an update this early, but we've been working on our one little problem child underneath here. Body mount, or cab mount. I got the first part off. Unfortunately, this little bugger appears to have a sleeve on it that passes through the upper bushing. Yeah, that is smoke you see rising there. We had to get out the hot torch here and warm her up a little bit, try and get that loose. Got it spinning, but we haven't got that sleeve off, so that's got to come off of there before we make some decisions on where we're going to cut. Did a little cleaning up here, just kind of pre-prep, marking out some center lines on the bolts, or some edges on the bolts, so we get the holes back together in the right spot. But that guy right there, more importantly the sleeve underneath it, that's going to be the fun one. So we're progressing. We'll get you more later. Thanks.